Hey everyone, in this video, we're looking at how to record a PowerPoint presentation as a video with your face. I'll be showing you this on Windows Desktop PowerPoint. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Once your slides are loaded in normal view, click the Insert tab on the ribbon, then click Cameo on the far right. A placeholder for your camera feed will appear on the slide. Now click the camera button in the bottom left corner of that placeholder to turn on your webcam. You'll see your live camera feed appear. Drag the Cameo window to position it where it won't block any important content on your slide, and resize it by dragging the corners until you're happy with the size. If you want to style your webcam feed, click the Cameo placeholder and you'll see a Camera Format tab appear in the ribbon. From here, you can apply camera styles, shapes, borders, and effects. If you have multiple cameras connected, click the arrow below the Preview button to switch between them. Next, copy the Cameo placeholder and paste it on any other slides where you want your face to appear. Use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, or right-click and paste. The placeholder will appear in the same position on each slide, and all your formatting settings carry over. When you're ready to record, click the Record button in the top right corner next to the Share button. A recording window will open with your slides, webcam, and a teleprompter view. Before you start, look for the settings option in the top right corner and make sure your webcam and microphone are selected correctly. Use the video preview to check everything looks good. Now, click the red circle record button at the top of the window. You'll get a 3-second countdown, then recording starts. Present your content and click through your slides as you speak. The recording indicator shows a red circle while you're recording. Be aware that PowerPoint doesn't record audio during slide transitions, so pause briefly as you advance each slide. When you're finished, click the Stop button in the top left corner. The recording indicator will turn gray. Preview your recording to make sure your audio and video came out right. If you need to redo a slide, use Delete to re-record just that slide, or click Reset to Cameo for a quick retake. To export your video, go to File, then Export, then Create a Video. In the first drop-down, select your video quality. Full HD 1080p is a good choice for most uses. The second drop-down should be set to Use recorded timings and narrations to include your recording. Finally, click Create Video, choose a location to save it, and select MPEG for video as the format for the best compatibility. The Export Progress bar will appear below your slides. The higher the quality you choose, the larger your file size will be, so pick based on where you're sharing the video. If you need to re-record just 1 or 2 slides later, you can delete those recordings and redo them without starting over. Your final video file includes all your animations and transitions exactly as they appear in the presentation. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.